Hello everybody, welcome back to Till's Hobbies. I've made some progress on my model railway, really happy so far how it's coming on. Let me know if you've got any ideas on this sort of layout. Also I'm doing a unboxing of a new model and have a look at that. So hope you enjoy and let's get into it. Here's the background scene, what came free in the magazine, the Railway Modeler. It looks quite nice. It looks like a sort of a valley, countryside valley background. And on this side I'm just using Gaugemaster's valley background scene. I think it ties in really nice with the magazine one. Slightly different colour, but I'm going to have all trees in that area, so it'll blend in quite nice. So that's that one there, large photographic valley scene. I think they do 3 or 4 different ones you can get in all different sizes, but that works really well. I just blue tacked it onto my board. That way I can easily just take it off if need be, and doesn't leave any marks, glue marks or bubbles. So I think that works quite nicely. Blends in really nice. So I'm happy about that. The Lord Nelson class, Robert Blake. So let's open this up and I'm going to show you some of the detail, and we're going to give it a test run on the track. So this is the Hornby Late BR Lord Nelson class, Robert Blake, number 30855. It ran really nice on the track. It's a lovely train, absolutely love it. It's got lots of detail. It's got all the pipe work on there, rivets, spring buffers. There's the coal inside there. You can change that, put real coal in there. And it's got all the detail in there, in the cabin. Looks fantastic. You also get this accessory pack, so you can put a few more accessories on there. And the instruction manual, which shows you how to put the accessories on. To my local store and got a few bits and pieces. Got some of this paint here, acrylic paint, black and white. Got this green one here, which I used to paint the base earlier. £1 that was, not bad. Also picked up just a PVA, little small PVA glue there. I thought the bottle was really good. And I got myself some rocket card glue. So that would be handy doing some of my card models that I've got coming up. Crystal magic glue, that's for doing the windows, it dries really clear. I've just got some brushes and some more acrylic paint there. These are great for mixing. So I just want to say thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and you can see some of the progress that I've been making, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.